Hey, this is Peter from Valley CAD. I want to send you a short video of me building this awesome computer that you could win if you bought a license of SOLIDWORKS. And by the way, this is good until the end of December of 2021 here. So here I am putting together the motherboard and putting on the CPU, and then coming on the thermal paste and putting on the air cooler on there. Now we set up our fan and everything, we are good to rock and roll and move this into our tower next. So our chassis that we chose for this build is a Thermaltake V21 chassis. This is an awesome unit for a micro ATX computer build. And by the way, we're using an Asus Prime Micro ATX Z590. And on top of that, we're putting in an i7 10th gen processor on here as well. So here we're putting in a power supply. It's a 650 watt gold plus power supply, and setting up the cables that we're going to connect from the power supply onto the motherboard. So from there, if you notice with that chassis, we can actually take off the top, bottom, and sides of the chassis. Makes it really easy to put in components. So here we are screwing in the motherboard onto the chassis and setting up our cables coming from the chassis and the power supply onto that motherboard next. All right, so now we got that all hooked up, and now we're coming in with the chassis cables, setting up so a power switch works reset, the HD or the hard drive light is working as well. Now we got that set up. What we're gonna move into next is coming in and setting up the most important part, that NVIDIA Quadro RTX 4000 graphics card. Oh, that is such an awesome graphics card. Super excited that we were able to get that in this computer build actually. So now we're going through doing cable management, and now we're going to come in and clean that up a little bit more and get ready to put on our side panels and the top panel. But before we finish up that top panel, let's get into this nice part, taking off that plastic film. Oh, best part of the entire computer build. So anyways, thank you again for those of you that have bought SOLIDWORKS. We are super excited for you and think that this will be an awesome computer for your SOLIDWORKS needs. By the way, it's not too late to give us a call. That'll be 559-726-2276. Give us a call before December 31st to win this awesome computer. Good luck and have a Merry Christmas from everyone here at Valley CAD.